Hello everyone. This video is about 13 best probiotics foods and benefits of probiotics. There are trillions of microbes living in our gut, mouth, skin, lungs and other parts of the body. Most of these are found in our intestines. These include bacteria, yeasts, viruses and protozoa. Probiotics are good microbes that our bodies need for health. They perform a lot of functions. Probiotics keep our digestive system and gut healthy and help in many ways, including food digestion and absorption. Some probiotics fight off with bad microbes and stop them entering into bloodstream from intestines or skin. Some probiotics fight off infections and help our immune system. Some probiotics kill bad bacteria that causes diarrhea, bloating and irritable bowel syndrome. And if you are lactose intolerant, Lactobacillus is the bacteria needed to break down and metabolize lactose. But most importantly, some probiotics organisms act as our vitamin manufacturing factories. They are known to manufacture vitamin K and many of the B vitamins, such as biotin, cobalamin, folates, nicotinic acid, pantothenic acid, pyridoxine, riboflavin, and thiamine. Some species of probiotics bacteria are known as lactic acid bacteria. These are most commonly found in fermented dairy products like yogurt and can manufacture vitamins in large quantities. And scientists are increasing their capabilities by genetic engineering. So you can imagine how important these are for our health. They are needed to keep our immune system, nervous system, reproductive system and brain healthy. Unfortunately, we use antibiotics to fight infectious disease. And these antibiotics also kill good bacteria and disturb their population. So it becomes essential to take probiotics in this case. We can take these through supplements or foods. But the best sources of probiotics are fermented foods. But be sure not to heat or cook the fermented foods before consumption. Otherwise, they lose their probiotic benefits. The first food source is yogurt. Yogurt is the best natural source of essential probiotics. Yogurt is fermented by lactic acid bacteria, which are very important for our health. Yogurt also improves bone health and blood pressure levels. It is also good for diarrhea and irritable bowel syndrome. The bacteria converts lactose into lactic acid. That is why yogurt tastes sour. Only choose the yogurt which have active or live cultures. And make sure probiotics in the yogurt are not killed while processing. And it should not have added sugar or preservatives. And the number 2 food is Kefir. Kefir is fermented probiotics drink. It is made by fermented kefir grains with cow or goat milk. Kefir is easy to make. It gets fermented easily at room temperatures. Both yogurt and kefir have plenty of protein, calcium, B vitamins, potassium and probiotics. But kefir typically has more fat, protein and probiotics than yogurt. Kefir also contains active yeast, which has more nutritional benefits than yogurt. Studies show that kefir has strong antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and anti-tumor properties. It may even treat peptic ulcers. Number 3. Unpasteurized sauerkraut. It is shredded cabbage fermented by lactic acid bacteria. It is quite rich in probiotics, fiber and vitamins B, C and K. It also contains sodium, iron and manganese. It is one of the oldest dishes used in many countries. But it is most popular in Europe. It is used on top of sausages or even as a side dish. It has a sour, salty taste and can be stored for months. And the food at number 4 is Tempeh. Tempeh is fermented soybean product. Tempeh originated from Indonesia but has become popular worldwide. It is a great substitute for meat protein, which is a great choice for vegetarians. The fermentation process lowers phytic acid and increases the amounts of absorbable minerals. The fermentation process also produces vitamin B12, which is not found in raw soybeans. Number 5. Miso Soup. Miso is a fermented soybean paste, which is used to make miso soup. It is very popular in Japan and comes in different varieties. Soybeans are fermented with salt and a type of fungus called koji. Sometimes other ingredients such as barley, rice and rye are also added to it. Miso is good source of protein and fiber. It is high in vitamins and minerals including vitamin K, manganese and copper. It also reduces the risk of stroke and cancer in women. Number 6. Kimchi. Kimchi is a spicy and fermented cabbage side dish from Korea. Other ingredients include chili, garlic, ginger and salt. Cabbage is high in some vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, B2 and iron. It contains lactic acid bacteria, which are good for digestive health. And at number 7 is Natto. Natto is another fermented soybean dish, which is popular in Japan. It is a potent probiotic, rich in protein and vitamin K. This makes it easy for bone and heart health. But most importantly, natto also contains nattokinase, which is a powerful enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Number 8. Kombucha. Kombucha is fermented black or green tea drink. Tea is fermented with bacteria and yeast. It originated from Japan, but now it is consumed worldwide, especially in Asia. Number 9. Raw cheese. Raw cheese is also good probiotic, especially when it is made from the milk of cows or goats. Only buy unpasteurized and raw cheese, with live and active cultures on the food labels. Cheese is highly nutritious and a very good source of protein. It is rich in vitamins and minerals, including calcium, vitamin B12, phosphorus, and selenium. And at number 10 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also a good source of probiotics. The unfiltered one is better. It is commonly used for various health conditions such as diabetes, high cholesterol, and weight loss. Number 11. Kvass. Kvass is the fermented beverage quite popular since the ancient times. Traditionally, it was prepared by fermenting rye or barley. But nowadays, it is also made by fermenting beets and other root vegetables like carrots. And at number 12 is traditional buttermilk. The most common buttermilk is the liquid that is left over after making butter. This is the only version of buttermilk which is rich in probiotics. It is also rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12. It is the most popular and folk drink in Pakistan and India. On the other hand, the cultured buttermilk found in America does not have probiotics in it. And the last food is Gherkin Pickles. These are fermented cucumbers pickled in a solution of water and salt. These are left to ferment for a while. It contains lactic acid bacteria. The good thing about pickles is that they are low in calories and rich in vitamin K, but they also contain sodium, so consume them in moderation. Please remember, pickles made with vinegar do not contain probiotics. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.